Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm just editing the vlog now and I haven't really explained what's going on. I had two vlogs to upload. Basically I've just decided to merge them together because they're both quite short. So this vlog is very random. I hope you enjoy it and let's get into the vlog.
Big dirty speaking bass. Dirty speaking bass.
Yes.
Right, send. S-E-N-D.
I can see it in the burger, but I can't see it in the chips.
So guys, to sign off things very healthy with a free-range egg crust mayo sandwich and also a croissant for snack. We stole this table just so we can look outside at the people and thoroughly judge.
People watch. I like people watching.
I love watching people.
Guys, I've actually sung in that cathedral. I've actually sung, Christmas carols in that cathedral.
It's an elephant. How interesting.
No, I've actually sang it in front.
Alright, Abby's first ear piercing. Abby, how are you feeling so far?
I'm really nervous.
Yeah. But they got Post Malone playing.
They have, so I'm okay.
You
I'm just singing along.
Lovely. One is down, two to go. Update on me. I'm not sure if you noticed, and last time where I had a normal stud earring, but now I'm a hoop guy. So we like the hoop. It's black, just like me. Let's have a look at your earrings. Little zoom. Well. Little zoom. Well. Whitey. Look at that smile there.
I know.
Look at that beautiful smile.
I've wanted this for so long. I find it funny that I used to wear like little clip-on ones. Just because I didn't have my ears pierced.
Abby's got such a serious face on because she's like, oh my god.
Guys, I did it.
No, not quite yet. That's not over yet.
Standard.
Thank you.
Really so excited.
Oh.
Best friend.
What are your other fears? What are you conquering next?
Yeah. Do you know what I'd quite like to do? Is I'd love to do like the zip world thing and do like the one where it's like head first.
Yeah.
Because I just since watching like Divergent, just feel like that's what I need to do. But that would really scare me though. So yeah, but Abby wouldn't like to do that because she don't like. Oh my god, you've done it! You did it! You didn't even squeeze my hand. That's me just chit chatting away.
It hurts more now than it did when it happened.
Yeah. But in a second it'll literally be fine.
Yeah.
It's just getting the things in now.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay?
Yeah. I can't believe that's just
Done it.
happened.
See? Nervous for nothing.
It's always the anticipation.
Yeah, it is.
Lovely. Snaps
I feel
for
like
Abby.
people, even if they've already got like piercings and they're getting more, sometimes
They would terrible snaps.
I'm at work when I get
yeah. You've got quite a few.
yeah, I've got loads and I've done some myself. So
That's complete. Look at these earrings.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
Yay!
Thank you. We've done it.
Yay!
That actually wasn't that bad.
Yeah, how was it?
It was okay.
Scale of 1 to 10?
5. Like it's not bad at all.
Did you understand what I mean by like I don't think it's any worse than getting like a jab?
No.
Like or like when they take blood from you, like that is kind of the same pain.
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah.
It's the
Realised
same
I'm
thing,
not
isn't it?
filming you when
Oh,
you said
that's
any
okay.
of that.
No, that's okay. That's alright.
Hello.
I was like, who's this person smell the donuts?
Donuts.
Sorry.
Not
Here we are in Chester.
Okay, we're gonna go to Boots or somewhere.
Yeah.
Right.
They're still doing it, but more subtle. Oh no.
More subtle, is that?
Yeah, it's only 3 ones. Yeah. Funny though. Hello, handsome.
That's enough for you today.
It's
That's enough now, you're full. You've just got chocolate nibbles in yours.
Broke it.
Yeah.
Do 3 little birds.
You're like the worst.
This is for the music.
What notes today? Might be attached to play something. It's occupied. Unfortunately, unexpected item in bagging area.
And they're off.
You've got dancer, first technique, first focus. That's pretty nice.
Whoa! Come and find us.
Oh, was it?
Over there.
There's kids on it now, I can't do it. As soon as she gets on it.
You fell over. Just needed a little bounce. I don't know, so
Here we have mini lap rabbits. They are 2, 3 and 5. Rosie, Paisley.
I want to call you Thumper.
Your ears.
Think of the bunny cuddles.
The bunny cuddle with E. I want one. I want to look like Jordan a bit.
Just cuddle me.
What did you think of the bunny cuddles?
They were just really soft, really cuddly, and they were really cuddly and rabbity.
What did you buy?
Piggy, Piggle Wiggle, and a Peggle Go. Hi, Trish.
You can see the castle.
That's the church. Castle's up that way.
I'm going to ask you all who you're voting for. Ellie.
Han Solo.
Jack.
Harry Trotter.
Lauren.
I'm voting for Han Solo.
Caitlin.
Paw Patrol.
Scarlett.
SpongeBob Pork Pants.
Spider Pig.
Yay! I'm also going for Spider Pig.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlogs. I'm with Abby, Emily, Charlotte. You look like you don't care.
No, it's fine.
Caitlin, and then Oscar.
I had some contraband in my hand.
good.
I was trying to hide it.
Why am I so blurry? Abby has given me her camera, and that is a bad idea. So today, I bought a pig, and I bought...
Yeah, so every time I
Where
plug
is
the
it?
car in, it plays Apple Music,
What
which
cow?
only has my ringtone and the Harmony tracks on it.
We had very much fun,
Yeah.
but I'm very hot. I regret renting houses. Oscar had fun, didn't you?
Yes, I did, thank you.
You did. Caitlin, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Abby, did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
We all had fun.
My favourite part. Are you ready? My favourite part was doing the tractor racing.
Yes, but we had an accident.
Yeah, a few.
A few accidents. I did Tokyo Drift. And Oscar had to push me.
But I also enjoyed feeding the animals as well. That was
Yeah. I got to feed animals. Now we're going to TK Maxx.
What a lovely day.
I'm going to film the way home. All the way to Prestatyn.
Are you vlogging?
I feel like Alfie
You got the
days.
wrist strap on.
Yeah, I feel like Alfie days. Are you excited for your driving lessons?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am. Very excited.
This is my cat pig.
Yeah.
I'm naming it
I'd live in a fucking narrow.
Charlotte.
Would
Charlotte's
you?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That'd be cool.
So guys, our first stop is a TK Maxx. Of course, Abby, the vlog creator, she wants to go to TK Maxx and get some bargains. Caitlin, what are you gonna get from TK Maxx?
There's nothing I need.
What you want?
Maybe some trousers.
Some trousers. I bought this hat from TK Maxx yesterday. Got a B on it.
Hey guys.
Where are we going?
We're going to
TK Maxx.
TK Maxx. Oscar's there as well. Say hi, Oscar.
Hi.
So TK Maxx is over there. I'm gonna go get Greg's because I'm hungry. Bad.
Hungry.
I'm hungry. I should have eaten some of that farm food. It did look quite tasty, to be fair.
I thought it was going to be like an actual sit-in cafe. But
Yeah.
never mind.
No, I had fun on bouncing. I had front flips. Click that like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get notifications of when Abby uploads.